Did you all just enjoy that visual? Because I sure as heck did. If you want to see how I made those crispy Nashville oyster mushrooms, stay tuned. Right now, I'm going to kick it off by showing you my buttermilk, quote unquote, mixture. Of course, we got to have the pickle juice in there. So I'm throwing all those ingredients in this exact bowl. Whisk it on up. Get some flavors incorporated.
Nashville mushrooms. And this is my buttermilk.
Now, this mushroom, Lord have mercy, this recipe is predominantly oyster mushrooms, but I was curious about the portobello, so I just decided to go ahead and try it and fry that, which you will see later on in this video. So most recipes call for 6 hours of marinating overnight. Look, baby, we don't got time for all of that. When we hungry, give this recipe like 15 minutes to 30 minutes of a marinade, and I promise you, you will be okay. Look at that. I'm just showing y'all that buttermilk consistency. Moving forward, I am seasoning my flour. So these are the 3 seasonings I'm using. We're frying this in peanut oil because if you know, all the top chicken places fry their foods in peanut oil. Next, egg replacement. I'm seasoning my egg replacement as well. Once again, everything will be in the description box. You all know this. I added some paprika off screen, so, you know, of course I had to show y'all. You can't just be adding ingredients off screen and not tell your viewers. So here it goes. Mix everything together till it's well combined. So we're gonna go boom, boom, and then boom. 3-step process, really simple. So I had to show y'all anyway. Shake off that excess egg replacement before you put it in that flour. I put a lid on it and shook away. All right. So here we are. Hot and ready in this pan. Wait till I flip it. Wait till I flip it. Oh, you know that look like mama's fried chicken. Don't play around with these mushrooms. So here I took it right off and put it on the paper towel. Those are the portobello. We gonna give them their one shot of fame. Never really cared for it. Now, for my Nashville sauce. Simple ingredients. Put it all in a bowl. I'm going to use a cup of the hot oil that I use to fry the mushrooms in. Now, make sure you let that oil cool off, okay? Because if you put it in right away, you're just going to burn the seasoning. It's going to be a nasty, burnt, unforgettable taste. And you will not dislike my video because of that mistake. All right? So, it still needs to be hot, but it doesn't need to be like freshly hot off the grease. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay. Moving forward. Dip my mushrooms in there. And this is my final product, y'all. I have my white bread down, my dipped Nashville mushrooms on top. Of course you need the pickles. And I even topped it off by drizzling a little agave on top. If you like this video or plan on trying this recipe, comment below, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.